Fake ads from Amazon and Microsoft can infect your device with malware. Here are some ways to avoid them. Invest in an antivirus program. Install and run a reputable antivirus program on your computer. Turn on Click to Play for your browsers. All browsers allow you to select the Click to Play option. Install an ad blocker. You won't accidentally click on a malicious online ad if that ad doesn't show up on your screen. Be cautious of prize links. Scammers may send you an email, text message, social media post or browser pop-up stating that you are eligible to win a prize by completing an Amazon survey. Clicking the link can infect your device with malware and steal your personal information. Avoid clicking on fake security pop-ups. Tech support scammers may send fake security pop-ups to your computer. Clicking on ads placed by scammers on websites you visit can also infect your device with malware.